What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Before we dive into the video, I want to share with you my goal this year to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you find today's video useful, you can help me out by just hitting that red subscribe button to get us one step closer to the goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you guys, so I'm trying to put out as much great content as I can each week for you in exchange for getting you to subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, help us reach our goal, and now let's go ahead and dive into today's video. In this video, let's talk about Pinterest Predicts. So this is something cool. You can hop on to the business.pinterest.com website, and under Insights up here at the top, they've got a little drop-down menu. When you drop down menu, in the sub-menu here, it says Pinterest Predicts. So that's what I clicked on. It took me to this page, and now let's go ahead and explore it together and take a look at what they've got here on this page. So it's probably important information that we could use as marketers for our business. So before you see it everywhere, see it here. People use Pinterest to find tomorrow's ideas. That means we know what's next. In fact, 8 out of 10 of our predictions for 2020 came true. Pinterest Predicts isn't your typical trend report. It's a not yet trending report, a window into the future from the platform where people go to plan it. So in other words, Pinterest has all this data on us because we get on Pinterest every day and we save different ideas, different inspirations to our boards. Pinterest is able to kind of look at all the things people and its users are doing, and it pulls all this data to kind of get an idea of where we think we're going in the future. So I think it's pretty interesting. We can check out what kind of trends we might not realize are trends yet by checking out this Pinterest Predicts page. So they've got a little video banner here. I'm going to go ahead and skip past it. They've got different categories now. So filter 2021 trends by audience category. So depending on what category your business is in or your interests are, you can, skip to that category. So we've got fashion, we've got beauty, we've got travel. So in fashion, for example, they think athflow is the new athleisure. In beauty, they've got skinimalism, and then travel, they've got the getaway car. So the travel one, for example, I was just browsing it a moment ago, just briefly to get an idea of what it was, because it seemed interesting to me. So the getaway car, they think that, in 2021, our cars are actually going to be, our new form of entertainment. We're going to get in our cars, go for drives, start traveling more. We might do date nights where we go for a drive, in the backcountry roads, or we've got other ways that we can use our car. So it's kind of like our getaway space. It's a way to get out of the house since we've been cooped up so much in 2020. So it's interesting. It's an idea that they're predicting. They've got some trending search terms they show you on this page that kind of shows where their research is coming from. So they might have seen an increase lately in searches for car date night ideas, drive-in cinemas, car man caves, dog car seats, and car survival kits. So these are some different search terms. If this is your niche, if you're in the travel space, that you could start focusing on, creating content around, creating new products around, to give yourself the edge there to try to get ahead and start ranking early for some of these different terms, or boosting your rankings if you're already trying to go after some of those terms. So the higher you can get in the Pinterest search using different factors that go into the smart feed algorithm, the better chance that you're going to have of getting your pins ranking in the search, and that's going to get you more views, more clicks, more engagements. So those are a couple ideas up there they showed you that you could start targeting, trying to rank for in the search, so that you can get more eyes on your content. So here we've got some different data, what the global data says. So 2 times increase in searches year over year for car date night. So people are looking into, car date night ideas. It's trending in Brazil, Germany, and France. Increase in searches year over year for car man cave. So in the United States, Australia, and UK, they've seen a 115% increase in car man cave searches. 190% increase in searches for drive-in cinemas. Dog car seats, 100% boost in search volume. And then we've got a 60% boost in search volume for car survival kits. Then we've got tips for brands here. So again, this is Pinterest just trying to help you out here. Help pinners bring their creature comforts into their vehicles. Auto brands can spotlight next level luxury like massage seats, surround sound, or Vista roofs. Household brands can share everyday items to keep handy in the car, like wet wipes, hand sanitizer, lip balm. Food or beverage brands can promote on-the-go drinks and snacks. Wellness brands can share instant Zen options like car diffusers. Pet brands can show pinners how to make their hang hospitable to furry friends. And auto insurance can emphasize the importance of insuring that fancy new car with car insurance. So, cool idea here under travel. Again, we can go back and look at some of the other categories. We've got the food and beverage. They think snappy, spicy is going to be the new thing. In the home space, they think people are going to start using more vibrant lighting. I've got the neon lights that go behind my TV, for example. So it kind of just adds a cool style to the TV experience. Well-being, we've got manifesting is the new nesting. Parenting, not so furry friends. We've got hobbies and interests. We've got finance, CEOs, the new DIY. So overall, it's a cool page. You can check it out again on the business.pinterest.com. Go under Insights, find the Pinterest Predicts drop down, and you can see all the different categories and kind of look at the data and what's trending right now in these different categories to see what maybe is going to be the new trend here in 2021. So thanks so much for checking out this page with me for the first time, just learning more about what resources we have available to us here on the Pinterest.business website. So this is the pages that they're setting up for creators like us so we can learn and understand what's going on Pinterest better, and we can use this information to help our branding and our business marketing efforts to grow our business. All right, since you made it all the way through today's YouTube video, I want to share with you an important resource I put together regarding Pinterest. So it's called Pinterest for Business. It's updated every month, so there's going to be new content coming into this resource library. You can scroll down the page here and you can read through all the sales copy, but I'm not really a salesman. All I care about doing is putting out the best videos that I can put out for you so you can help teach yourself how to use Pinterest using these training videos. So you're going to get a lot of cool worksheets, different checklists that I start you off with, and a free month of Tailwind. We're also going to go into a lot of the beginner steps starting out, but we're going to get more advanced as well, like how to use your business account to sell things on, Etsy or your website, or build an email list. I'm going to go over the Pinterest algorithm, how it works, so you can learn how to get more pins to stand out on Pinterest so that you can get more clicks to your website, to your blog, to your products. We're going to talk about the secrets to creating viral content on Pinterest. I've got a viral pin checklist you can check out here as well. And then we're going to get into the automation aspect so you can set up scheduling pins with Tailwind to save yourself a ton of time, as well as how to, manually pin still to get some benefit from manual pinning. So overall, there's all kinds of modules here inside of this course that you can use to better your Pinterest knowledge and, help your business out and get better at marketing on Pinterest. So again, we're adding videos every single month. So this library of videos is only going to get bigger and bigger. And the price is going to go up with time as well because, the more content we fill it up with, the more we're going to need to start charging. And so with that being said, go ahead and get the early bird pricing today. You can check out the link below in this YouTube video, or you can go to asknickfoy.teachable.com and just look for this Pinterest for Business course. I also have some other courses, so try to scroll through them and find the one for Pinterest.